Hi guys, today we'll show you how to monetize your Facebook page and make money through Facebook's available monetization programs. We'll also show you where to check your eligibility and available earning options. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Once your Facebook page is open, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. From the menu, find and tap Professional Dashboard in the middle of the screen. You'll see different options inside the professional dashboard. Swipe through the available options until you find monetization, then tap it. Inside monetization, you'll be able to see whether your page is eligible for Facebook's available monetization programs. If you're eligible, you may see different ways to earn, such as partnership ads, content monetization, stars, and other programs available to your account. If you're eligible for a particular program, follow the instructions on the screen and tap Apply or Get Started when available. Complete any required steps to activate monetization for your page, and that's how you can check your Facebook page's monetization eligibility and start earning money through the available Facebook monetization programs. Keep in mind that eligibility and available programs can vary depending on your account, content, and region. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.